Christmas is the time of the year where processed foods like ham, sausages, and greasy and healthy foods get served on the dinner table. But we can opt for healthier options by avoiding red meats and cured cuts by looking for alternatives, like this garlic buttered shrimp.
It's garlicky, succulent shrimp bathed in a rich aromatic blend of garlic-infused butter. Start by heating up some neutral oil, like vegetable oil or avocado oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You'll know when it's ready when the oil is hot enough. Cook for at least 2 minutes or when the shrimp gets a bright orange color. Set aside. In the same pan over medium heat, melt the butter. Once it's sizzling, add in the minced garlic. Sprinkle some paprika and salt. Add in the lemon zest. Now let's add our shrimp back to the pan. And for that extra zing, squeeze in some juice of lemon and chuck the lemon in. Scrunch some pepper. Give it one final gentle toss to ensure that all the flavors coat the shrimp evenly. To make our butter shrimp extra indulgent, let's add the remaining butter. Stir it in until it's all melted and coats the shrimp beautifully. Add some freshly chopped herbs for that elevating green color in your dish. And there you have it, our delicious buttered shrimp. It's quick, easy, and bursting in flavor.